G'day everyone, it's Caerphilly time. It's finally ready, we're going to give it a shot. Now the Caerphilly I've done a little bit differently in the aging. It's been in a maturation box, like a little Borg person, which means it sits on this little tray inside that box, but it's not waxed. Once I cut it though, if the dog leaves me any, we'll use our new vacuum sealer that we got from Aldi to seal it up. So, time to give it a cut. There we go, fingers crossed. Feels like cheese, it's got the right sort of texture. It's a little airy, a little bubbly. But it certainly looks like it's turned out. So I'll cut a slice off for trying. One thing I did do with this non-wax cheese is every now and then I gave it a bit of a wash off with brine, just to keep the mould under control. So, there we go. Has a normal sort of cheese rubberiness. You're making noises there, dog. That definitely tastes like cheese. A little salty. You after some, are you? You can have some in a minute. It's actually very nice. Slightly salty. It's got a nutty sort of taste to it, and I think it'll go really well with a bit of extra maturation. So once we've got it vacuum sealed, we'll leave it for another month and see how it tastes. What do you think, camera person?
Interesting texture.
What do you think of the taste?
What? It's got a bit of saltiness.
So that's the Caerphilly. I think again it's a case it needs to mature a bit longer, but the texture's really nice. I like the saltiness, and it's got that kind of nutty taste. Maybe I should have used a vinegar wash rather than a salt wash to just make sure the salt content didn't get too high. But I like it. Not the camera person's favourite, but we should actually ask Lady Curmudgeon.
Oh, very nice.
Salty?
Not too salty.
No, I didn't think it was too salty. Shani didn't like it all that much. So anyway, next time round I think I'll wax it instead of getting the natural rind, because I think they made it just a touch too salty, but it's only a tiny bit, and I actually don't mind it. So, Caerphilly. I like it. Lady Curmudgeon likes it. Camera person, meh, not her favourite. But we'll do it again. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.